This recipe right here is a very simple remedy that really works. And the good thing is the natural ingredients that are used are very easy to find. When chemicals damaged my hair, I had to do the big chop. I was struggling to grow my hair. I was experiencing a whole lot of hair breakages, stunted growth. But after discovering natural ingredients and learning how to use them the right way and also following the right hair care routine, my hair started growing much stronger, thicker, fuller, and more beautiful. And since I'm not greedy, I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. And today I'm going to show you another simple remedy that will boost your hair growth and also prevent hair breakages. If you're someone with dry hair, your hair breaks a lot, or your hair doesn't grow, you must take this recipe very seriously. Let's get into the recipe. Hello my beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up and even sharing them sometimes. And if you're stopping by for the first time, there are a lot of videos you could have watched, but you decided to stop by to watch this video. And I really appreciate that, and I can promise you, you're going to really learn a lot from today's video. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is aloe vera. I'm using the fresh aloe vera and I'm going to get the gel out of it. Aloe vera is very beneficial when it comes to hair growth. But before telling you all about aloe vera, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you don't know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so as I said, aloe vera is one of the ingredients we're going to use today. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, C, as well as vitamin E, and all these are great when it comes to hair growth. It also contains vitamin B12 as well as folic acid, and this together will prevent your hair from breaking. When aloe vera is added to your hair care routine, it can prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and also moisturize your scalp. Aloe vera will treat your scalp to make it healthy to give way to new healthy hair growth, as well as strengthening your hair strands to prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and even split ends. So all you're going to do is when you get your aloe vera leaf, make sure to wash it really well. Then after that, you're going to cut it into big chunks. You're going to use your spoon to scrape the gel out. Do not use a knife because you end up cutting yourself. And I do not want that for you. So once you get the gel out like so, you're going to put it in a blender and you do not have to blend it for so long. Just a few blend will do. Otherwise, you're going to lose all the slip that comes with the aloe vera gel. So once you get it like so, you're going to put it in a mason jar and I'm going to show you what to do next. You really need to pay attention to this recipe because it is really powerful and you're going to love it just after the first use. Alright, so the next natural ingredient I'm going to use today is our fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are really great when it comes to hair growth. They contain protein and iron, and this will strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breaking. It is also going to treat dandruff and other scalp issues. All you need to grow your hair is to stop your hair from breaking because your hair naturally grows. So you need natural ingredients like these to help stop hair breakages in order to return some length and also some volume. And fenugreek seeds is one of those natural ingredients that can really help you. So I used about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, added it to my aloe vera gel. There is no measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you're trying to make. And after that, I just give it a good shake. I'm going to give it a quick stir to make sure everything is stirred in well. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to set it aside overnight. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So make sure you're watching every part of this and you're not skipping any part of this video so you do not miss any important information. I'm also going to show you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it, as well as some tricks that can even increase the benefits of this recipe. So after the next day, this is how it's all looking. So I'm just going to make sure to strain it just to get the gel out. And this is how it's looking already. There are a few ingredients I'm going to add to this recipe to even make it work much better. So make sure you're not skipping any part of this so you can get all the tips and tricks I'm going to show you with this recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to add to this recipe is pure glycerin. Glycerin, when added to this recipe, will prevent frizz. It is also going to help you grow thicker hair because it's going to stop hair breakages and it will make your hair appear much fuller and thicker. Glycerin serves as a humectant. It draws moisture to your hair and your scalp, and this is really great for people with low porosity hair. I'm also going to add some olive oil. Feel free to add any plant-based oil of your choice. It can be avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, or any oil that works for your hair. I love to use olive oil because of what it does to my hair. It adds some shine to the hair and it can also prevent dandruff. At this point, I'm going to add my eucalyptus essential oil. Feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. You can use peppermint oil, tea tree oil, or any essential oil that you have. All these essential oils are great when it comes to treating your scalp and giving way to new healthy hair growth. But if you do not have any essential oil, just the recipe by itself is great because the two natural ingredients put together is going to do a lot for your hair. After adding all these ingredients, make sure to give it a very good stir. And after giving a good stir, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. So make sure you're watching every part of this video. Okay, so once you transfer your treatment in a bottle like so, there are two ways that you can use it. You can use it as your pre-poo to detangle your hair on your wash day, or you can use it as a leave-in. When you use this as a leave-in, it helps moisturize your hair for a very long time compared to using regular water. It is going to prevent hair breakages, treat your scalp, and give way to new healthy hair growth. And also when you use it as your pre-poo, it will prevent hair breakages immediately. Give this a try and I promise you you're going to love it. Thank you for watching.